Yes, indeed, courtesy to our Mr. Ricky General. I'm actually, you know, say, well, next time for you know, say, sugar kick off and things, all entertain the boats and things in. Now, Sharon, from Sheffield, well, I'm big up my girl, because you're big every time, alongside the massive father, Jam is in the house. And the Jam is school himself there in person, in. And Fat Man and the article crew there for real. Now, one star.
For real, man. No article respect all the King Jam is school, father. King Jam is not the place, father. Fat Man article respect all the Birmingham massive. Yeah, and all the Golden Star massive. Saying, you know what, say later detrimental things, lecturer. Colin Roach, Admiral Bailey, Lieutenant Stitch and Bounce Kill and murders things tonight, man. Big up man like Ninja Man, not the place, man like General Bigo and big up Intentions. You know, all the massive and all the crew. Now watch the ride and get your musical ear in gear. All original conscious, man. This is the first coming from Gold Star. Watch it. Yeah, it's the Ninja.
Station in Vancouver and big up man like CG and players. Watch it! Yeah, alright. Now we there we have to play some tune for all the ladies, all the sexy ladies we turn out tonight because you know some later detrimental things. So watch the ride and get your musical ear here. That's the intro. Let's see what happens to God for all the brand ladies.
Take off your clothes.
Because
Things I wanna do to you. Nobody has to know. No. Lay your body right here, baby. Have no fear. Cause there's the
inside one song movement.
me.
All the Jammy Squad's got.
Get in your expected position. Bring it on, bring it on. You see,
Yeah, London crew.
I fulfill as long as you sex me. Sex me, baby.
Who's it?
Sex me. Come on and sex me, baby. Sex me. Sex me, baby. Sex me.
Go on, this one rock and no stop.
Sex me. Oh, sex me, baby. Sex me. Now I can feel your body next to mine. 'Cause girl, I wanna see you sweat. You're so very wet. Now put me inside you. Do what I wanna do. 'Cause you got
Yo, rough cut man, you want it into me, see?
on you. Get in your respect position. Oh, bring it on.
Yeah, alright.
Easy.
For all my well up them girl.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Are we ready for showtime? Right, you ready? Right. On stage tonight, you're gonna see 4 artists. As a matter of fact, you're gonna see about 8 artists tonight. Right now, there's Mafia, Fluxy, Mr. Bubblers, Mr. D, as the music provider tonight. And believe me, everything is cool. Computer program, I know. You know, where's his worries tonight, Fluxy? Stress tonight? You going to enjoy yourself tonight?
Alright.
I tell you, man. I tell you what, King Jammy's tour for 1994 started in Nottingham, went to London on Saturday night, and tonight, Monday night, Birmingham. Where else? The second hometown for reggae music. I tell you what, Mafia and Fluxy, give me a one, introduce yourself to the people, and make them hear like one thing out of the computer. Then we're ready for showtime. Yeah, you want the mic? Yeah, of course. This is Dave Fluxy, ladies and gentlemen. Leroy Mafia on the right.
Good evening, Birmingham. Good evening, Birmingham. The only computerized band in London, England. Spanish Town, Jamaica as well. See? Mafia and Fluxy alongside Bubblers and Scully. See? Computerized band. So all who paid for morning put up on all.
club, see. Give me a piece of rhythm, John. A piece of club. I tell you tonight, you know, computer night. Watch it. Mr. Mobilas, please, sir. That sound good. That sound good. All right. Could you keep it low? That's right. Just there. At this time, we're gonna bring the first act on stage. Before I even do that, I've got to say big out to Mama Louise, all the way from Jamaica here tonight. Enough respect, Mama Louise. I've got to big up enough for the massive man I also know, because the man them seminar, big them up and work the show them. Big up all the man from Small Eat, all the man from Handsworth, all the man from, as a matter of fact, all the man from Birmingham, all the woman from Birmingham, enough respect. Big yo, the bad Indian, the chief, and all the Coventry massive, travel down the motorway tonight, enough respect. Father Toe, Snoop Doggy Dogg, Chaka and all the crew, original gang stars. The man them says no more gangster, you know, it's gangster. Yes, tonight, we don't want none of that thing. You see, if you don't have a lighter, if you do not have a lighter, public announcement, borrow your friend lighter, woman, borrow your man lighter, because tonight is lighter and name brand rock, alright? We don't want to hear nothing or say nothing else except lighter and your name brand rock. If you don't want name brand rock, just take off your hat and wave it. Alright? Could we have some music, please? Anyway, could we have some rhythm? At this time, to kick off King Jammy's tour for 1994, we're going to bring on stage an artist who you know and I know is a veteran. Some say over the years, some DJ come, some DJ go. This DJ, he is always in the headline. It gives me a great pleasure to say this DJ is the first DJ to lick out and the gear man them. When say we don't like booger man, just put up on your hand. Alright? For all the ladies, he said, you put on the toes. I tell you. Give a warm Birmingham welcome for the one and only Mr. Lecturer. Come on. Let's get for Lecturer. Lecturer tonight.
See, we don't know, we don't talk. That man not trust no shadow after dark. Cause when the hard man come out, push to the moon, we don't worry about gun. Cause we happy we are. See, I don't think it's a joke. Take it down low. I'm a good talk. Yeah, man. Enough things are going road, boy. Inside Massive don't want herself, you know, because there's 24 security behind the artist, them. We love that. All of the girls, them when we say, them now turn them panty back way. Then I watch them make panty on the line, figure teeth, it click more, big up on herself. And all of the yard man, them just flashing the light, you know, because when we get the point. Yes, read them, Mr. Hector, I'm mercy. Jamming, don't worry yourself.